Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to check email address on Facebook. We start by opening our Facebook. After that, we will click on the account icon. Then we go to Settings and Privacy, and then Settings. Here we go to Account Center. After that, we click on Personal Details and then on Contact Information. Finally, you will be able to see the emails associated with your Facebook account. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.